welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you very simple and quick and easy and inexpensive upgrade. It will bring the outlook and you're going to say, wow, I need one. Your sink stopper or the strainer with the rubber, and once they get dirty they look ugly and you don't feel good. I found something is very inexpensive. It's only $7. You get 3 pieces. This one is really nice strainer and it fits right on top of the sink. Let me show you. This is the disposal side and this is the stopper we have. The rubber one, I just threw it away. It was so bad, and these are the brand new ones. You just place it on top, and also it's very easy to clean it. As you can see, this is very easy to clean it and it looks really nice. The second sink, placed one here, and then on my other sink, and you take it out and you just place it in. And look at how nice and beautiful it looks. So as you've seen, it's so simple and you can bring the kitchen outlook. These are small things which we always we overlook. So I hope you're going to like this video, and if you do, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Delicious cooking, please click on my Easy Step channel. I'll provide the part number under my description. And for my next video, this is the disposal. And how I'm going to change it, that will be the next DIY project. So please stay tuned. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.